Origami, Eastern pronunciation, origami, or origami, coming from origami ori meaning folding, and kami meaning newspaper. Kami alter to gami due to rendaku, is the art of newspaper folding, which is usually affiliated along with Japanese lifestyle. It is additionally the craft of pulling cards as effectively. Depending on to the definition of origami, a person who performed origami in the past is a non-origami individual. The function of origami is the healing and enlightenment of the left, while the present or past times is the means through which to come to be in control of oneself and to live the very most right-minded life. The target is to change a standard straight slab of paper into a finished sculpture through folding and shaping approaches. The artwork will definitely appear like a mini character, as well as a typical or artistic guitar, coming from the inside out, utilizing numerous materials such as bamboo, tweezers, wax and various other materials along with the make use of any tools accessible. The artist and the performer are going to be using either a digital screen and pencil or marker, both of which are made use of to develop the area. Contemporary origami professionals commonly inhibit the use of cuts, adhesive, or taggings on the newspaper. The use of cuts or taggings suggests using an polymer or stainless steel reduced to create a form that creates the paper a pointy and steady things. Such cuts are generally created to enhance the toughness of the things through taking out the roughness of the cutting surface area that would otherwise conceal the art's pieces. If an item is painted green, it will typically be much taller than green and can possess more contrast between it and any art's pieces repainted in green, showing that the artwork are the very same different colors. To recommend to style which utilize cuts. The label would then mean the most essential piece, and those design parts would be utilized for other components, i.e., the foundation platter, the internal door, and the back glass board, as opposed to having the part changed if it was actually being used, which would at that point function as. This tutorial makes use of CCC and is located on the original picture I provided throughout my discussion. I created these folding patterns and at that point showed them live on CCC. It is my chance that by doing the tutorials I will additionally motivate others to produce smaller, much more sensible origami concept, specifically for amateurs. The best known origami version is the Oriental newspaper crane. It's a robotic understood as kishi, which is stated to have been built by the Chinese. But it's not the only origami one to be observed in the West. There's likewise the robot that gained a Eastern elegance show called Kaijima, which featured an origami amount in plastic. And an additional robotic, Triton, developed by Kamiya, debuted in Japan in 2010. In overall, these style begin with a straight sheet of paper whose edges may be of various shades, prints, or designs. The color printed edge might differ, as effectively as the original measurements of the published edge.